English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello, I'm Feifei and this is the English we speak.
And hello, this is Rob. And it's an important day in the office today, isn't it, Feifei?
Is it?
Yes, it is. Remember that big project we've all been working on?
A big project?
Yes, well, it's crunch time.
Oh, great. I'm starving. I'll get my crisps.
No, I didn't say lunch time.
I know. You said crunch time. Time to start crunching these delicious crisps. I love crisps.
No, I didn't mean it's time to crunch crisps. Crunch time is an important or critical time when a decisive or difficult decision has to be made. And it's crunch time for our big project.
If you say so, Rob. Why don't I finish these crisps while we hear some examples of the expression crunch time?
We've reached crunch time in our relationship. I'm going to ask my boyfriend to move in with me. I wonder what he'll say.
The team are doing well, but come crunch time, will they score that vital goal?
It's crunch time for us tomorrow. That's when we find out if our building plans have been approved.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English. We're finding out about the expression crunch time, which describes an important moment in a situation where a difficult or decisive decision has to be made. But Rob, I'm still not clear why it's crunch time for our big project.
Oh, come on, Feifei, you know. The project we've been working on for months.
Oh, you mean the biscuit project?
Exactly. We have to decide today which biscuits we're going to buy for our meetings. And if we don't order them today, we won't have anything to eat in tomorrow's meeting.
So, Rob, your crunch time is just about what you'll be crunching tomorrow. You really need to change your priorities. I think I've reached crunch time in this program.
What's that? You've got a big decision to make?
Yes, to finish this program or finish my crisps.
Oh, shall we just eat the crisps?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Pass them over then.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.